Are you looking for the who makes the best brad point drill bits? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best brad point drill bits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT drill bit set, brad point, 6-piece, DW1720 black. The DEWALT DW1720 drill bit set is a 6-piece package that is a good choice for someone who's just getting started with woodworking or just want to try brad point drills affordably. The flutes of these bits are shaped in a way that ensures that chipping comes off clean when using them. The sizes included range from 1/8 to 1/2 inch. All of the bits are made of high-speed steel. Due to the design of the bit's edges, they can be used for doweling when necessary. The bits come with a 1-year limited warranty. The design of the edges and flutes can help with clearing chips out of the way, so you have more time to work on the material and less time cleaning it. The set doesn't come in a case, which can be a bit of a hassle. At number 2. Steelex D1034 Deluxe Brad Point Bit Set, 25-piece. The 25-piece Steelex D1034 brad point drill bit set uses high-speed steel, so it could be more suitable for hardwood and tougher projects. The bits included range from 1/8 to 1/2 inch and are neatly arranged in a durable storage case with a handle. Bits 23/64 inch in diameter and larger have a 3/8 inch shank, while the remaining ones have a 1/4 inch shank. As mentioned earlier, having reduced shank sizes help with easy drill fitting. Standard drills with up to a 1/2 inch diameter chuck can work well with all of these bits. A durable case is included, and all of the bits have relatively small shank sizes, so you can easily fit them into most drills. The design best suits drill presses over hand drills due to a slight lack of stability. At number 3. COMOWARE 13PCS Spade Drill Bit Set Paddle Flat Bit Set for Woodworking. The sharp bit allows for accurate drilling to most types of wood and also fiberglass, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and soft metals such as aluminum. Double blister package with strong elastic loops can prevent the blade falling off. It is easy and safe for using and organization. Set includes in 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1, 1/1/8, 1/1/4, 1 to 3/8, 1/2. 1/4 inch hex shank fits into all power tools more easily and securely, especially for locking into quick change chuck. Carbon steel construction for capability and durability. The flat paddle design features a sharp cutting edge, ensures the hole smooth clean. 1/4 inch hex shank fits into all power tools more easily and securely, especially for locking into quick change chuck. The sharp bit allows for accurate drilling to most types of wood and also fiberglass, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and soft metals such as aluminum. At number 4. Fisch Brad Point Drill Bits, 10mm x 133mm, premium drill bits for soft, hard, veneered and laminated wood. Not many drill bits can withstand the extreme speeds and pressure like this product from Fisch. And bit has a proficient spur, which improves the speed and efficiency of the item exponentially. Thus, while using this drill bit, we assure you that you would be done with your work in no time. Furthermore, the thing is ideal to be used for all sorts of usages. Meaning, you can use the product on sensitive and fragile surfaces, as well as sturdy and tough objects, and hence, we can guarantee you that the bit has got your back in all circumstances. In short, the device is the dream drill bit from all carpenters and woodworkers. Additionally, the product has a fantastic design that gives the item maximum sturdiness and longevity. And the excellent build of the bit makes it resistant to rust, corrosion, indenting, and other types of damages. Lastly, the bit comes with a design that assures you a smooth and clean cut on every use. At number 5. Neiko 10193A Titanium Step Drill Bit Set, High-Speed Steel 3-piece set total 28 sizes. With 3 titanium-coated step bits, the Neiko Titanium Step Drill Bit Set will have you easily drilling and enlarging existing holes in plastic, aluminum, and other types of sheet metal. Bit number 1 features 6 steps ranging from 3/16 to 1/2 inch. Bit number 2 features 13 steps ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inch. Bit number 3 features 9 steps ranging from 1/4 to 3/4 inch. The steps on each bit are clearly marked for easy reference. At number 6. Fisch FSF 364757 Imperial Brad Point Drill Bit Set. Are you willing to pay more, but are not okay with compromising for the other features and functionalities that a drill bit has to offer? Well, my friend, we have the item that is just right for you. The product might be a little costly, but its amazing productivity and features make it worth every penny. It comes premium construction makes it a marvelous product for all kinds of tasks, which includes woodworking and carpentry. Besides, the chrome vanadium steel construction of the device gives unmatched longevity and makes the bits impervious to oxidations, erosion, etc. Plus, the remarkable construction of the device offers you unmatched cutting capabilities. And the cutting feature of it is upgraded even further because of its outstanding and efficient design. Therefore, on using the device, your carpentry skills will reach new heights. And on the day of purchase, you will get all of these amazing features on each of the bits. By the way, each of the bits is of different sizes that let you boost your working options exponentially. That is not all, the 29 drill bits can be used from 2000 to 3000 RPM. So, we assure you that you will be doing all kinds of projects using this masterpiece. And as it comes with a casing, storing it is a breeze, and each of the bits is kept in an organized manner according to their size. At number 7. WoodRiver 29-piece fractional inch brad point drill bit index set. Yet another drill bit set that comes with a sturdy case is the WoodRiver 29-piece fractional inch brad point drill bit index set. Ranging in sizes from 1/16 to a ½ inch, these bits are made out of carbon steel. That makes them suitable for casual or light to medium woodworking projects. Due to the design of their edges, you can also possibly use them for dowel hole drilling. Bits up to the 3/8 inch size are equipped with a full diameter shank. As with the previous option, having a durable case for a drill bit set helps keep you organized during your woodworking project. The carbon steel material might have a bit of trouble with hardwood or heavy-duty drilling due to not being as robust as chrome vanadium and other higher quality materials.